Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to tell you that how you can customize the name of your followers on TikTok application. So how are you going to do it? Let's find out. Watch the video till the end. So let's start our video. First of all, you need to open your TikTok application. From there, you need to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, you need to go to the followers. From followers, you can select any follower that you follow back them as well. So suppose I will just select this one. So if you remember, this particular option will be once you tap on that one, you will see that you want to unfollow the person, but now they added a customized name. So you can change the name of this person according to your own preference. So you need to tap on the pencil icon. And here, as you can see, the name is Love. So if I want to change this one, Love, and then this one, and then I just add Forever. So as you can see, I will tap on the save option and the name has changed to Love Forever. So that means that from now on, when I see this profile on my TikTok, the name will be changed to Love Forever, not just that what the other person selected. So guys, this is all it takes to customize the name of your followers on TikTok application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.